Okay, for this particular learning target, we are going to graph systems of non-linear inequalities. So inequalities that are not lines. And I'm going to use Desmos, so I'm going to go to my apps button here and find my Desmos graphing calculator. Looking at all my Google apps, I notice that with mine I have to go over another screen, and there it is, Desmos graphing calculator. Now, sometimes your inequalities are going to say greater than 0 or greater than a number, but to graph here we're going to use y. So for this first one we're going to do y is greater than or equal to negative x squared plus 5x minus 3. And there we have our first inequality in red. And then we're going to do a second inequality in blue. And this one, I'm going to do y is less than absolute value of x. And I find it interesting that you can clearly see the red equation has an equal sign. And so this line here, the red graph, the quadratic is solid. The absolute value does not have an equal sign, so notice that this blue absolute value is dashed. And I'm going to give it a down translation, so we're going to do it -2, and I think I'm going to go ahead and compress it by a little bit. So let's do a 1/10 to give it some compression. All right, so we have graphed both of our inequalities. I went ahead and zoomed in so that you can see a little more of the graph. The solutions have to be for both. So if we look at the top is only shaded in red. Red is the color of the quadratic, so those solutions are only for the quadratic. If we look in the center here, right in here, we see this light blue. Those are only the solutions for the absolute value. The solutions for both are where the pink or the red and the blue overlap each other. And that would be in this area here and in this area over here, where both the pink and the blue overlap. So if I picked a point out of any of these, they would be a true solution to this particular system of nonlinear inequalities. So for example, if I want to pick a point, I'm going to go back out here a little bit. Let's say that I pick x as 4 and y as -3. That point only falls in the light blue, so that's not a solution. However, if I picked a point x is 6 and y is -2, I do have a solution because I fall in the overlap. Or if I pick a point x is -1 and y is -3, it falls in the overlap. So that is a solution to my system of inequalities.